Susunod na tanong mula sa social media ay para sa'yo, Edward.
For Edward from Ako Si Beshi, if you were given a chance to give the flag to Maymay or Kisses, who will you give it to and why?
Hindi ka bibigyan kay Maymay.
Well, nah, that's a very, very hard decision. Both of you have fought so hard. Maymay, you've had some bad experiences in your life. Kisses, Miracle Baby. There are a lot of things that prove that you deserve it. But I think, with no disrespect to the other, I would give it to Kisses.
Oh my gosh.
You know, Maymay, you're my twin. But although you fought very hard to get here, Kisses has been in quite a few league tasks. He's been nominated a few times. Although I've not experienced it personally, it's stressful. She proved something to me as well, personally. Beauty queens are not, you know, la la la, you know. Kisses is not a girly girl. She's tough. So are you, but I think just by a little bit, that's why I would give it to her.
Kisses, sa'yo niya daw ibibigay ang white flag kung nagkaroon ng pagkakataon. Anong masasabi mo?
Medyo nagulat po ako. Tayo po lahat may mga dahilan po tayo sa mga desisyon and maaring hindi po ito natin ini-expect pero yun po yung desisyon nila.
Anong masasabi ninyo?
Siguro sa respeto ko yung nakikita niya po, kaya tatanggapin ko po. Kahit man ganoon po, maniniwala at maniniwala pa rin ako sa sarili ko.
Nagbago ba ang tingin mo kay Edward dahil sa naging sagot niya?
Hindi po, ma'am. Yan po yung desisyon niya nga. At saka, nirespeto ko po yun.
Thank you, Kisses, Maymay. At yan ang pagtatapos ng ating ika-4 na round.